If you want to set up your Android Auto on your Samsung Galaxy A36, it's quite easy to do. So first of all, open up your settings. Now locate your connected devices section, open it up, and find your Android Auto. Open it up as well. Now we gotta press connect to vehicle, and after that we have to connect our phone to the compatible USB port, of course. Also, if your car is from 2021 or newer, you may be able to connect it wirelessly. So for that, you have to turn on the Bluetooth both on the car and your phone, and they will be connected. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.